To adjust the temperature setting on your LunaTouch, press the up or down arrow once to show the current target temperature. You can then increase this or decrease this to a new target and you'll see the override symbol come on. Once you've reached your new target temperature, press OK, and the thermostat will then heat to that new target temperature. You can see the flame symbol come on to indicate a higher target temperature. Please note this setting will only be applied until the next scheduled time change on your thermostat. This method of overriding is not permanent. To set the clock on your LunaTouch, press the menu button to show the menu tabs. Please note, the clock will not display if your LunaTouch thermostat is connected to the Smart Life app. Then press OK. This shows the hour flashing and it can be adjusted using the up and down arrows. Press OK and do the same to the minute. Then press OK and the day will start flashing. Again, this can be adjusted using the arrow buttons. Once you've made the changes you need to, press the power button. This will return you to the home screen showing the new day and time.